No, I think I got everything, honestly. I think my house keys. I don't have my house keys, which I probably should have for sure. Hello, my name is Cydnee Black, and today I'm going to spill it. This is my bag, and I brought this purse because I feel like it is the best representation of my personality because it's very vibrant and fun. I like to buy things because they tell me to, which sounds really weird, but like, this bag was just like, this is your bag, buy me, so I did. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is my budget journal. I'm trying to be like an adult and become more financially stable, so if I have free time, I like to like go through it and see what my money's doing. I don't know. This is my wallet, and I actually just got this wallet, and I don't know why I like it so much. This is another item that told me to buy it. It's completely empty. I probably don't actually need all this space. I don't buy a lot of things, so when I do buy things, it's stuff that I'm like very attached to. Next, we have a pin. I got this pin in London. I've had this pin for like 2 years, and I want to keep it forever, so I always carry a pin so I can budget. Ooh, this is lash glue because you gotta stay ready. You never know when your lashes are gonna try and play you. Next, we have sunglasses. You never know when the sun's gonna try and play you either, so sunglasses. Next, I have some hand cream from Sol de Janeiro, so my hands aren't crusty. Oh, next I have some powder. This one's from Laura Mercier. I like it because it's cute and tiny, and it also has a little mirror. And then we have, oh, this gloss is amazing. It's honestly like dirty. I probably should get a new one. This is from e.l.f. Secretly, e.l.f. makes the best lip glosses. Like, and I think this is only like $2 or something. And I don't feel like people talk about this enough, but they make the best glosses. Next, I have some eye drops because my eyes get really easily irritated. Also, why I keep sunglasses in my bag, because having light eyes, a lot of people don't know this. People are always like, oh, I love your blue eyes, they're so nice, but no. Brown eyes are natural sunglasses. So when I'm in the sun, my eyes are always like irritated and everything is so bright. So I have to always carry Visine and sunglasses, which is a first world problem. I guess it's not that serious, but. Next, I have some mascara from MAC, just, you know, in case. I also have some headphones in case I want to like tune out the world for a sec. I have this baby hair brush in case, you know, baby hairs want to act up. I have, oh, my phone. I don't have a case because I don't know what's wrong with me. And I've dropped this phone probably like 6 or 7 times now, and it hasn't broken yet. So Apple is like, they're making their phones more sustainable, which we can be proud of. I should probably really get a case though. I have tampons because you have to have tampons. Cough drops. I'm not sick anymore, but I also kind of just like the taste of these. Ooh, these earrings I stole from my sister, and I keep them around just in case. Like sometimes I leave the house and I forget to put on earrings, and it's very upsetting. So I always keep some earrings in there. Ooh, this is really nice. This is a Keep Calm and Roll On Clarity Cream from Awake. It's really nice. Like sometimes I just like to take it, just like rub it on my temples because the smell is supposed to like calm you from stress and anxiety. Yeah, it's working for sure. Oh, this is really my favorite lip color right now. It's from NARS. It's in the color Mythic Red, which This is not red, but it is a really nice mauvey pink color. I don't know, I like it just because it goes with everything. So I got cough drops, my crystals, another tampon. So I've always carried crystals with me because my mom suggested it as a, you know, to protect yourself. You need to protect yourself more from other people's energies and maybe like your own energy if you're in like a bad mood or whatever. So I've always carried crystals in my bag, and one time I was in Vegas trying to go to see Marshmello at this club, and the bouncers have to like check your bags really like kind of obnoxiously in Vegas, but I guess it's for our protection, so whatever. Anyways, he finds my crystals and he's like, why do you have these rocks in your bag? And I didn't really actually know what to say to him then. But he made me go back to my hotel and put them back, which wasn't cool, but it's fine. Oh, this is a lip mask from Bite. I love these. I go through these like crazy. Here's another cough drop. Does anyone need a cough drop? Have a lot. Where's my lip liner? Now this is upsetting me because I can't find. Ah! Found my lip liner. I was literally just so angry just then. Okay, I found my lip liner. This is from MAC Cosmetics. It's my favorite lip liner ever. It's called Chestnut. It just works really well for darker skin tones, so I always keep this no matter what. I feel like it goes with every lip color that I have. And that is it. That's what we got. Thank you for watching Refinery29. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.